Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. So this video was done over the holiday. Obviously there was a lot of cooking, visitors coming around, hosting. The kids had a great time because they were on holiday, so the house was usually a mess. And thankfully my husband has gone upstairs to put the kids to bed, so I'm just going to tackle this downstairs. It's 8 p.m. and I'm really tired. I've been cooking all day and I still have a lot of things to cook tomorrow morning. Yeah, so I'm going to start in the kitchen. I usually start right here because I feel like once I get the dishes out of the way, the kitchen is more cleared up and I feel like I've done the bulk of the work. So yeah, just loading the dishwashing machine, and after it I'm going to start cleaning up the sink, which is like my favorite thing to do while cleaning up. So if you're new here, I have another channel where I post mostly beauty videos. You can check that out if you're interested in those kind of content. This channel is actually new. I intend to post mostly cleaning videos. I love this cream so much because I feel like it gives the sink a better shine rather than using just the normal dishwashing liquid. So to finish up the entire kitchen, I'm going to just start gradually taking things out. We did a lot of shopping this evening, so I have a lot of things that I'm yet to put away. I will just start putting them back to the places where they belong. I picked up this Zoflora disinfectant from Costco today, and I think it's such a huge bargain. For the three big bottles, they were like £7. Yeah, they were about £7. Really cheap. this is the finished look. It looks a lot organized and clean. I'm just going to go over to tackle up the rest of the house. So I love to use this double-sided glue tape to just hold down the carpet so it doesn't always move around. To light some candles because the whole house smells of all these cleaning products. I love to light up some candles to kind of give the house a better smell. So yeah, this is the finished look. It looks all clean, all organized. Of course, it's not gonna last. Tomorrow morning the kids are going to come down and create another job for mommy. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.